Sneezing is our body's way of expelling irritants from the nasal passages. When something like dust, pollen, or an allergen enters your nose, the sensitive nerve endings trigger a reflex. This causes a rapid inhalation followed by an explosive exhalation, which is the sneeze itself. Interestingly, sneezing serves a protective function, helping to clear the airways and prevent infection. Additionally, bright lights can also induce sneezing in some people, known as photic sneeze reflex. It's a quirky genetic trait. While sneezing is generally harmless, covering your mouth and nose is essential to prevent spreading germs, especially during flu season. Stay healthy and sneeze responsibly.